Hello everyone, welcome to Liberable. Welcome to a new video here on Liberable with the Volvo S60R. There was a huge amount that got done here. I'm gonna run you guys through everything, right? Which I didn't film because I was in Cape Town. I had to be in Joburg for an emergency. So I'll let my brother say what has happened. What has happened? What did you have to do?
So the engine was rebuilt. New bearings, crank has been cut. Oh, I'm keeping you away.
New bearings. So right when you're busy, it's more action.
Yeah, yeah, with the new bearings, they had to cut the crank because we had some scoring. It was a bit too deep. We have new sleeves most now, obviously.
Yeah.
This was the issue before. Crack sleeve, and yeah, that's about it. So basically, the motor's rebuilt, you can say.
You fully assembled the motor yourself with Imadi, my youngest brother, and
It took a day just to do.
yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm happy with the machine too, guys. I don't know if I must give them a shout out because it wasn't really sponsored or anything, like not even discount. Maybe just give them a shout out, man. And if anything happened to your motors, then don't complain. But Brins Engineering did everything, and I'm not gonna lie, like we're pretty happy with what has happened here. So yeah, guys, I'm not gonna film the whole motor going in and all the pipes going up again. When my brother timed it and he starts it up, and then we can see what's what. No performance driving, unfortunately. They have to break the motor in, so the RPM is gonna be limited to like 5,000 RPM. But don't worry, we're not going to break it in like a sissy. You must actually properly break it into 5,000 RPM for the next 1,000 kilometers. Then, yeah, we can see what it's about. Congratulations, Carmen Erasmus, on winning your PlayStation 5 here at the VapeStation. And thank you for not only supporting Liberable, but also the VapeStation. If you buy any product in store and check out using coupon code Liberable, you get to win a Smeg Toaster and Kettle set. 4-slice toaster, just so by the way, so that is incredible. Check out today's Ford Ranger Raptor video as well and enjoy that video too. Bye.
Team first thought, yeah.
Okay.
And see, hope it. Cross fingers that everything is alright. Yeah,
Okay. I don't think it's gonna go off, brother, but okay, let's see. Freshly built engine, ladies and gentlemen. My dad's was putting the jumper pack on the boot, so we have enough pressure. Look guys, I'm just gonna let it crank a little bit and then they can plug everything in. Can I crank, brother? Okay, no oil light going off, guys, so that's alright, brother, I think. Let's just put it on. Let's see if it will switch off. I'll turn it off immediately if the oil light doesn't go off. So I can all the injectors in. And Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, I'm turning off, guys, because we have a battery light.
Did you put it on?
That's off! Oh, then it's on! That's off! Oh, it was a battery pack that triggered it. Oh. Yo, brother! That's smooth! Ashik! You freaking built this thing yourself? Listen to this! Okay, so the temperature's gonna come up to the halfway mark. We turn the car off immediately. We don't want any nonsense here, you know? Steaming away. Yeah. Okay, guys, so my brother did timing. However, we managed to get locking tools here from S+S Solutions. I'll put the information down all on screen. Maat's gonna put the tool in and we're gonna see if our timing marks line up or if they don't.
You are off.
Whoa. Why is the side so high?
She must come down. This one must come down.
What's happening?
So we are adjusting the vernier, the VVT weekly up. Here we go. And see.
Seems tight.
Seems tight.
You won't be able to move the VVT because it's locked here and you've already locked in forward position. All you must do is tension the belt with the cams if your tension is locked at the bottom.
Okay.
That's all you need to do. Yep, everything's locked.
Tight.
Okay, so what must I
Then
do now?
just tension it out.
Just tension the belt so that the timing doesn't move out again.
Okay, so you have to 12 weekly.
If you're only know how much anxiety we have now. First drive, can't get it to bleed again. Like temperature's half and climbing. Obviously we don't need to get hot, like obviously. But yours cause a bitch to bleed, no?
Yeah. And the clutches.
Yeah, the clutch definitely needs to be bleed played a bit more.
Must, yeah.
This must be still air in it. Anyway, we'll get back to you guys. It's a lot of weirdness. Right, it's the following day. He's in a much better mood.
Yeah, no more oil leaks, no more
Huh?
water leaks.
Yesterday I was like, no, can't fall, everyone's in a bad mood. You're all nervous and wrecks. The computer light is on, but we are going to Peter drop his tools. I'm going to ask if he can do us a favor and just clear the code for us before we head back home. And just check that everything on the car is okay, all its values, its oxygen sensors are reading within spec. Also its airflow meter. We've had this air filter box in and out so much times. We don't know if anything went out of like if we maybe damaged something, or maybe a plug gap is off, but I know we have wiring there on top that's a bit brittle. Right guys, just got to Peter's place. Coming to drop off the tool, but something is still not right. Like it doesn't want to make boost at all, so yeah. But right though, come explain to us what we did.
I can't be on camera, I wanted.
So what my brother did was by mistake. We thought that the crank was supposed to be on TDC. So he put the crank on TDC, put the pulley on, and then we adjusted the cams to the crank. That is wrong. It's not supposed to be on TDC. Peter, what are you doing?
Me? I'm trying to do diagnostic.
Are you okay with being on camera, Peter?
Yeah, I also wanted, but it's fine.
Peter, where's your shop? Well, how can people find you?
Brackenfell, Unit 24, 9 Silver Street. Yeah, I specialize in the Volvos.
Nice. Yeah, guys, we take you through Peter's workshop while he is for the car. So, here's all Peter's. Here's his S60R. So yeah, his car is beautiful. There's another team member over here. But yeah, now we need to put timing again in and hopefully then right. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are retimed. We have done everything to Peter's specifications and explanation. We essentially, sorry we didn't film guys, it's the hard filming when your hands are dirty. Yeah, so we blocked the thing in the block, the blocking pin. Basically all your marks here are useless. You don't need it if you pull this motor apart. You just need the locking tools. And that pulls the motor into time. You put your belt on and you use this to tension up the cylinder. So we're going to start up now. We're going to hear if we at least have a bit of power. Oh yes, Peter calling. So that brother, let's hear it smooth. Oh yeah, it's my rev. It's my game rev. You happy? Don't worry, this won't conclude the videos. Once my brother breaks the motor, he'll go for a nice little performance drivey. No. Yeah, we can't launch this car because it's...
The one if get also please.
No, you can leave. Oh. Let's see. It really feel better?
Feel, yeah. Oh,
Steering, yeah. Keeps pulling out the...
Yeah, no.
Oh, yeah.
We have some boost. Yeah. I think it's definitely now doing it right.
Oh, beautiful.
Feeling like something right, no? Finally. And the computer light is off. You feel that pull away second? And how dead wasn't it before? Okay, I'm gonna put 2.
Yeah, we can't, yeah. It's just guys, we have the motor still very stiff, so any form of too hard acceleration here might bind, what you call it, bind up the rings, no?
Yeah,
So we have to let the motor loosen up, yeah.
We will lose on.
It's only 62 kilometers on this motor, at least 500 kilometers before we can even dig into the throttle pedal. So yeah.
It's definitely driving spirited now. Yeah, I can definitely.
We should have done this a long time ago in Belichtums.
Yeah. He's holding a picture,
Yeah.
I feel something. There's boost.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's boost. It's feeling lively, but okay, let's save the fast driving.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like
Happy.
Yep.
Hey, finally, Mr. Volvo. Finally. Yeah. Before we go to Peterborough, we must just try to get this thing off.
Okay.
So we can check the plug and then the rear right shock. Yeah. But I'll do it tomorrow morning. And then yeah.
Oh, it's definitely feeling like now, no?
Mm.
The more laziness. So. I can hear the turbo spoon for the first time. You could never hear it before.
He's really coughing. Now, one thing I love about this generation of Ford / Volvos, no? They had a lot of fun with his engine mapping. Do you remember my 530 also used to do it coughing? You like come off the throttle a little. Right now, guys, thank you so much for watching this update of the S60R. Thank you all so much for watching this video. See you on the next one. Beef review. Liberable out.